Happy wife, happy life.
So yun guys, pupunta akong hospital today. It's Friday morning and inaantay ko lang yung biyanan ko kasi siya maghahatid sa akin. Sasamahan niya ako kasi hindi ko na kaya mag-drive and nag-i-snow sa labas. Hindi naman madaming snow kaya lang medyo madulas, so gusto niya samahan ako. Inaantay ko lang siya. It's 8:45. I think she's here. Guys, kauwi ko lang galing hospital. I was there for 1 hour. Calbo was with me most of the time. Ito yung mga binigay sa akin. I had blood works. And then, ito yung gagamitin ko the night before sa Sunday. Ano siya? Cloth. Ipapahid sa katawan para daw to avoid infection. And then, this one also, papahid ko rin sa katawan ko the night and then the morning, pagkagising. My surgery is 7:30 in the morning, but I have to be there at 5:30. Yan, 2 hours earlier. So, just give me this paper, kung ano yung paper. Kung ano yung mga dapat gawin before, the night before surgery. So, it's Sunday night. Si Monday yung aking C-section, so I was nervous. And it says here, okay, I know you cannot wear jewelry, but you cannot wear makeup. I see a lot of women wearing makeup while having a C-section, but it says here no fingernail polish. I have to take my fingernail polish or makeup. Okay. So yun. This is getting real. Cowboy's going somewhere. Where are you going?
I got a date, but we're only going to just go to get something to eat at Los Mariachis here in town, and we'll be right back. But she said we could bring you something.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
Aming couch na butas kasi si Loki.
Loki?
Yeah, I said the couch. Loki did that.
Yeah, I know. It's like, this couch is what, 2 years old?
Yeah.
Maybe. And he put a hole in it, so maybe next year or so we might buy another one. I don't know.
The babies will pee in there.
Yeah, we gotta wait till after the kids get out of diapers.
Be careful and be safe.
I will.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Cowboy's going to the store, guys. Look, there's still snow. So cold outside.
I'm going on a date.
You're going on a date? Buong si Calvo. Bye!
In a good truck.
Okay.
Bye.
Bibili niya ako ng pagkain at gamot. I don't wanna go out because I still feel a little bit sick. Dito na si Calvo galing sa date niya. How's your date?
She's too fast. She didn't show up. That's bullcrap.
Inindiyan si Calvo ng kadate niya. We got a snow alert. Is it a snowstorm, hon?
No, a couple inches.
They said we got a snow alert for tomorrow, so Todd says it's really crazy in the store because people are buying foods because they think it's always worse, so they don't want to go out tomorrow. But if it's really bad, they don't let people go out.
It has to be like a level 3.
Yeah, so I'm just having chicken noodle soup kasi nga yung ilong ko, buti na hindi naman masakit yung aking lalamunan, yung ilong ko lang para siyang barado dito, and then masakit yung ulo ko. So I'm trying to get better before Monday. Ang daming binili ni Calvo. Chicken noodle soup. This is what I'm going to have for dinner.
Me too.
Did you drink all my juice? Did you buy a new one?
No, you tell me to. I hear.
What is that?
Orange juice. Mixed with it.
Cabo bought me a lot of oranges, vitamin C. I'm actually drinking a lot of orange juice, but I think this is better.
That'd be better for you.
Is this what you're gonna have for dinner also?
Yeah. Chicken noodle soup. I'll even make it.
Huh? You going to make it? Cabo started his paternity leave. It's gonna be here for 2 weeks only. Should be a month, hon. He's leaving me after 2 weeks with the twins.
Depends how much they cry. I might have to go back to work early.
How much they cry? What are you doing, hon?
I'm cooking soup.
This is our dinner, guys. Chicken noodle soup. Yun na rin ang dinner ni Cabo. And he's also making me this, what is it? Ginger and lemon drink. Are you gonna try that also?
Yeah, there's a
I
bunch
think I'm
up
gonna
there.
put a little bit of honey. So guys, here's my dinner. Chicken noodle soup. And this is the ginger and lemon that Todd made me, and then this is a cracker. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I'll get better. It's not that worse, pero I want to be healthy and feeling good when I get there Monday.
Yeah.
So
We don't want to delay.
kasi nakaset na yung mind namin sa Monday. So yun lang for today. Cabo is tired. He's actually sleeping here already.
I've been sleepy all day.
Huh?
I've been sleepy since I got home.
Siya yung siya yung inaantok ako kasi hindi na ako
I'm feeling her
nakakatulog.
pregnancy.
I think one of the reason why my immune system nagkasakit ako kasi hindi na ako makatulog sa gabi. Sobrang some nights talagang wala akong tulog, and then in the morning kunti lang yung naitutulog ko siguro, kaya nagkasakit ako. So I hope I will feel better tonight, and I hope I will sleep tonight because he don't work anymore, so I don't have to worry about waking him up. Gigisingin ko lagi si Kalu. Nahirapan kasi ako kapag bababa sa sa kama. Can we just sleep here on the couch?
I don't fit on this couch.
Kasi parang mas komportable ako matulog dun sa sala kasi
It's not comfortable for me.
is it okay if I sleep here?
No.
Ayaw ni Kalbo. Kalbo don't want me to sleep here. Anyway, so yun guys, 2 more days. And we are all gonna meet the twins.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
It is.
What?
Somebody asked me about videotaping like the surgery and stuff like that, but I'm not going to be able to videotape inside the room. They said we can take pictures only, but I'm going to have her phone taking pictures, but I will try to sneak I'll try to sneak a video here and there, but I can't really promise anything.
That's fine. So yun lang for today guys. Maraming salamat. I'll see you guys tomorrow.